All right. Hello, everyone. This is Ryan Eaton doing a presentation on Benefits Association's Group Retiree Medical Plan. This is also known as the Senior's Choice Plan. This is going to be a presentation for agents out there looking to market this plan to their customers. We're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to cover is what is Benefits Association. BAI is a nonprofit Mississippi organization founded in 1990, so it's been around over 20 years, located in Jackson, Mississippi. Currently, the association has two different levels of membership. The first level is about $1 per month, and it is the base membership program. It's $12 per year, $1 per month. There's no discount for paying annually. Same thing with the retiree membership. It's $5 per month, and there's no discount for paying annually. To be a part of the group retiree plan, it is a $5 per month fee because there's more administration on behalf of the association. There's different things there. Also, there's some additional benefits. So you get all the base membership levels plus some additional benefits that aren't included in the base membership. BAI has been offering different programs and plans for groups and individuals and insurance programs and everything else for over the past 20 years. They've been working with different carriers such as Delta Dental Insurance Company, Standard Life, AmFirst, Madison Dental, VSP, Carrington International, Security Life, and more. It's also done some different group work as well, and now they're adding GTL to the list. And GTL is a guaranteed trust life insurance company. They're a B-plus carrier with AM Best. And for those of you who don't know, I know we used to be one of those companies who said we only would offer A-rated companies, but B-plus or higher is secure with AM Best. Anything below B-plus is a non-secure company, but B-plus or higher is a secure rated carrier. 75 years experience in the insurance industry, and they are licensed in 49 states and the District of Columbia. They offer a lot of niche products. Guaranteed Trust Life does, and this is one of them. We're pretty excited about it. GTL has been offering these plans, these group retiree medical plans, for over 20 years. GTL has never raised premiums over 1% on new business rates. GTL's renewals have never been raised more than 3%. So that's a pretty strong factor. We've been with them for several years and kind of want to test it out ourselves first just to make sure it was legit and everything worked like it was said to. And we've seen for a fact that they do keep their word on that. They've done a fantastic job. Who is MBA? MBA is the administrator on the plan. So you have BAI, which is the association, that is the group, so to say. Then you have GTL, which is the insurance company. You have MBA, which is the administrator. They've been doing administration on this Senior's Choice Plan and other different dental products and specialty products for a long time. And MBA is the one who's going to be handling the customer service. They'll be handling the commissions, everything but the claims on this project. So we've been working with MBA ourselves for years, and they're some good guys you can trust. What is Senior's Choice? It is a group retiree medical plan for those 65 or older, not for anyone under the age of 65. This is a group plan issued to Benefits Association, so you have to be an employee or member of the association to be able to get this plan. And since the association doesn't have any employees, all the benefits are outsourced. The association only has members. So as long as you're a member, you can enroll in this plan, and you join. The rates include your membership rates. So the coverage mimics a Plan F Medicare supplement and is offered on a guaranteed issue basis. Let me say this, it mimics. This is not a Medicare supplement. It's not a standardized plan. It's a group retiree medical plan that looks like a Plan F. In my opinion, the best way to say it is it's a hybrid plan between a Plan F and a Plan N. There are some co-payments for doctor's office visits, but again, there's no deductible, no co-insurance on some of the plans either. So, but there is a co-pay when you go to the doctor, you get outpatient procedure, etc. Full takeover of pre-existing conditions. What does this mean? John Doe had cancer last month, and if he gets this plan, he's guaranteed issue. He will still be covered on this plan next month. People wishing to enroll, and that pre-existing condition will be covered. People wishing to enroll in this plan must be members of the association's retiree package. The retiree package dues are included in the premium. Senior's Choice Plan design. I'm going to talk about the base plan benefits and kind of show where the differences are in the Plan F. No lifetime maximum. No Part A or Part B deductible options, so we have a zero deductible option for 2013, and in 2014 we'll have the zero deductible plus a $2,000 deductible to mimic the high deductible plan F. Coverage for excess charges included, skilled nursing up to 100 days, and foreign travel included. What is different than what you're used to seeing on your typical plan F? There's a $10 office visit, lab, or x-ray copay. There's a $10 durable medical equipment copay. And there's a $20 for all other outpatient services. This includes an outpatient procedure, so if you get a knee replacement, it is $20 if it's outpatient. $100 emergency room copay, waived if admitted. This just is trying to keep people, we spoke with MBA about this, and they said this is to keep people from not going to the emergency room when it's not needed. There is a large copay for this, but if they're admitted, it is waived and there's no charge there. Extra benefits included with the plan. There is a hearing discount plan, a vision discount plan, consult a doctor. We actually have consult a doctor here at our office for our employees. It's a pretty cool service. On the BAI retiree package, there's all the different benefits that you can see online, but then added to that, there's a roadside assistance discount and an ADT security services discount. The association members can choose to enroll in the group retiree medical program and or the prescription drug program. We're not pushing the prescription drug program on this, and it is not a sponsored plan of the association, but you can enroll in a Part D plan under their employer trust agreement. Members are not required to enroll in both options. First of the month effective dates only, so you can't get a June 15th. It would have to be June 1st, July 1st, 8/1, etc. Application process takes 3 to 5 days on average. ID card and policy is usually received within 2 weeks of issuance. These Part D plans are based on 800 series chassis versus the 900 series chassis that we're all familiar with. This allows Part D plans to have several new beneficial aspects. And let me say this, we are not here to promote these plans. You can write them if you want to through Senior's Choice, but they will have to be your direct contact on it. No annual certification is required for these Part D plans. Commissions are a percentage and level. You can enroll in any month during the year. Switch from a 900 series plan example from Humana, and you can switch over to this plan. Premier plan has complete donut hole coverage. Very beneficial for people hitting the donut hole by June. Okay, so that's about all we're going to talk about on this. The enrollment process for a Benefits Association Group Retiree Medical Plan. There's several different ways. One, you can do a paper application. There's 3 pages. Pretty simple. First page is demographic information. Second page is terms and conditions. Third page is the bank draft form. If you are doing a paper application, you will have to use the Benefits Association Retiree application, which includes the name of the association on there, or your application will be declined. You can email application to enrollments@benefitsassociation.com if you're doing a paper application. However, we do have an electronic application. You can find out more about it at benefitsassociation.com. It's a one-page deal that populates the PDF, and it will be submitted from Benefits Association to MBA for processing. You can also fax a paper application to the number listed here, 601-977-8085, or you can mail application to Senior's Choice, P.O. Box 14067, Jackson, Mississippi 39236. Contracting process. Since this plan is a Mississippi group and this is a group plan, you will have to be licensed in the state of Mississippi to be able to sell this. We're going to go into more about that on the next slide, but the contract process is completed with GTL. So you're contracted with them to be able to sell the GTL product, the Senior's Choice plan. But the MWG requires contracting as well because it's Benefits Association. To be able to sell Benefits Association plans, MWG is the sole marketer for this association. MBA still pays the commissions. There's online contracting for both of these, and there's no appointment fees with either carrier, just so you know. Commissions are paid once a month. This is the month following the premium receipt. So if the plan goes into effect in July, for a July 1st effective date, your commissions will be paid in August. This is just how it's set up. A lot of group plans, Blue Cross Blue Shield, etc., all are set up like this. There's also no advancing. It's all as earned commission in the group market. Watch your Senior Choice over traditional Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage plan. One, coverage is portable. So if you move from Mississippi to Tennessee, your rates don't change just because you moved to Tennessee. Rates are based on Mississippi rates, so those, for instance, living in Connecticut who may start off paying $200 a month for a Plan F Medicare supplement could start off with this plan for much less each month, and it's guaranteed issue up there in Connecticut, so it would be the same here. But California, Arizona, etc. You can sell this one plan in all different states. Makes it very nice, and if they move, it makes it where you don't have to pay the different rates. A one-page rate guide, again, based on Mississippi rates. A one-page rate guide. It's not broken up, different zip codes, different service areas, etc., counties. This is a one-page rate guide. It applies to all states except Florida and New York. You cannot enroll in this plan if you're a resident of the state of Florida or New York. Online application. We also have a paper application, 3 pages. It's easier than any other plan out there. Lifetime commissions. Commissions don't stop after 6 years or be greatly reduced after 6 years. It stays level for the life of the policy. It stays just about level for the life of the policy. 1% is dropped after the 3rd year. Highest rate increase in history is 3%. I believe it was 2.9% actually. Electronic claims payment, just like your Medicare supplement that you're used to out there. It's electronic claims. The doctor submits it to Medicare. Medicare sends it to them. Everything's covered. The client just gets the summary benefits of the EOB back showing them what all was paid. So this is a great plan. We've been using it. You have a lot of cases where you got someone who's maybe on several blood pressure medicines, can't switch to a new product because of that. They had some procedure several years back, and the carrier's asking how many years back, and he gets declined or off you medication they don't like. This is a great plan. We had someone who we had signed up in Mississippi in 9866 with Mutual years ago, and 6 years later the rate was $325. So it had gone up drastically, over 300% of what it originally was. We were able to lower them down to $225, save over $100 a month. I mean, it was a great deal for them. They were extremely happy, but they couldn't switch because they had a few little health conditions. So just some things like that. If you got a call center type deal, is a great plan for those people who can't qualify for something else. Just a phenomenal plan for a lot of markets. I'm not saying it's the best for the turning 65-year-old, but I am saying there definitely are markets for this plan out there. Negatives. I'm going to be straightforward with you. I'm going to tell you what I think is negative. You must be licensed in Mississippi. For a lot of you, that won't bother because you're licensed in different states. If you're licensed only in one state, you will have to be licensed in Mississippi to sell this plan. No appointment fees with GTL or MWG. It's a $100 license, a 2-year license for Mississippi non-residents. We have the link here on the page, and then you would click individuals entities, click producer licensing online services, and then apply for license. And that's how you would go ahead and get set up. No advancing of commission as earned on group business. This is just one of those things. Some people this ain't gonna bother. Some people won't right just because of that. But just want to throw it out there. It's one of those things. And dual contracting, your contract with GTL and NWG, but it's simplified contracting because we fill out the information. So just to let you know that. How can I access plan information? Well, the website's benefitsassociation.com. You can go there to find out more about the retiree package. There we have the different forms online that you would need. The enrollment form, outline of coverage, the rate guide, the RX outline of coverage, and RX only enrollment form. For plan questions, please contact Jessica Whittington. You can email customer service at benefitsassociation.com. You can also call 800-1397, extension 1129. Thank you again for watching this video. Try to keep it under 15 minutes. I know it's a lot of information, but it should be something great for training purposes, just to kind of give you an overview of the plan and let you see kind of what you're working with. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.